Hi, what's up, Theta Network holder? This is very important for all of you now, my brothers, to understand this. This news is very important. So everyone, please don't skip any second of this video. And we also part my friends predicate this coin. So if you have any need, my brothers, to any problem, kindly ask me without any doubt, my brother, in the comment box and Instagram. All links is available in my channel. So go ahead now, check it out and contact me. By this time, the Theta Network price will be increasing in last 1 hour, but in last 24 hours they were short time. For short time they will fails down, but again I hope, my brothers, they will move upward now and they will give you a profit. So kindly hold your, please be safe from the lost and do this what I taught you. I hope you will never lost. My brothers, time, as you can see here, the market cap 6 billion, my brother, and 24-hour volume is 469 million, my brother. Circulating supply, as you can see here, 1 billion. Max supply is 1 billion, and distribution 100%. Oh my goodness, I can't expect this, my brothers, to distribution is going to be 100 now. Very good, excellent, my brother. All right, as you can see over this time, the price of USD Theta Network price is 6.97 USD dollar. That's a really good number, my brother, and definitely, my friend, in this month all currencies is moving in upward direction, especially, my friend, Dogecoin, XRP, and something more, my brother. But this time Theta Network will also moving upward now. As you can see here, last 7 days 16.25% profit. It's not a short profit, my brother, not a small jump. It's a very huge and very good number, my brother. Alright, so the price is increasing now, 18.22% profit just in only, my brother, in last 7 days. It's a very good news for all of you, and I hope in upcoming time Theta Network will be also moving upward now. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so invest now and hold it, wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.